If you're looking to host automated webinars that work seamlessly and professionally, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Livestorm's automated webinar features to help you create impactful webinars that engage your audience and free up your time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your webinar process, this quick guide will show you how. Now, before we dive in, if you want to get started with Livestorm, you can try it completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss this offer. Let's get started. To use Livestorm's automated webinar features, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the Create a Webinar button. Livestorm gives you several options, but for automated webinars, choose the on-demand format. This is the core of what makes Livestorm's automated feature so powerful. It lets you pre-record your webinar and set it to run automatically at any time, just like a live session. The next step is to upload your pre-recorded content. This could be a video that you've already created or a series of slides with voiceover. Livestorm supports multiple video formats, so uploading is a breeze. Just make sure your content is engaging. Automated doesn't mean less interactive. Livestorm allows you to add quizzes, polls, and calls to action throughout the presentation, so even though it's automated, your audience will still be able to engage as if it's a live session. Once your content is uploaded, the next step is scheduling. With Livestorm, you can automate the entire process, from sending out invites to setting reminders for attendees. You can select a specific date and time for the webinar to go live, or, if you prefer, you can set it to run continuously. This flexibility is one of the biggest perks of Livestorm's automated webinar features. You can have webinars running 24/7 at your convenience without lifting a finger. Livestorm also allows you to customize your webinar landing page. You can add branding, tweak the registration form, and even set up email campaigns to follow up with registrants. That's right, you don't have to manually reach out to everyone who signed up. Livestorm does the heavy lifting for you by automating these processes, saving you hours of work and ensuring you don't miss out on any leads. And let's not forget about analytics. After your automated webinar has run, Livestorm provides detailed reports on how your attendees interacted with the content. You can track registration numbers, engagement levels, and conversion rates, giving you all the data you need to refine your future webinars and boost your marketing strategy. The best part? You don't need to be an expert in tech to set all of this up. Livestorm's user-friendly interface makes it simple, even for beginners, to set up automated webinars. Plus, there's a whole knowledge base and customer support team to help if you run into any issues. So, if you want to take your webinars to the next level with automation and leave a lasting impact on your audience, Livestorm is an incredible tool to consider. Remember, you can try it completely free by clicking the link in the description. You'll even get some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the description for that exclusive extended trial, and I'll see you in the next video.